this lecture, we will set up our project on GitHub that we will work on during the upcoming lectures. So we will set up a workflow for our project for testing the application, executing code coverage, and Dockerizing the application, and more. In this lecture, we will import the project from Gitlab. So it is a very simple React application with a few tests here in the test folder. So later we will set up a job in our workflow to execute unit tests. And also here we have a Docker file that we will use to Dockerize the application and push it then to a Docker registry like Docker Hub. And here in the package.json file, we have some scripts. For example, to run the application, we have the dev script. To execute unit tests, we have the test script. And for code coverage, we have the coverage script. So now let's import the project to GitLab. To import a project, we will click here on this plus icon, and then we will choose Import Repository. So first of all, we have to provide the URL of the repository. And then here we will give a name to the repository. For example, I will call it a React project. And for the visibility of the project, I want to keep it public. And finally, to import the project, we click here on this Begin Import button. So now GitHub, we start importing the project from GitLab. It will take a few seconds or even a few minutes. So now the project was imported successfully to GitHub. We can visit the repository by clicking here on this link. And here is our application. So starting from the upcoming lecture, we will start creating a workflow for this application, and we will start with the first job for executing unit tests. So that's all for now. Thank you very much, and we will continue in the upcoming lectures.